So before taking questions as people are trickling in, I wanted to talk about 2 points, legal updates that could help a lot of people. The first thing is there was a closing of the border for entry of people from Mexico and from Canada. Because of COVID-19, the scare and the fear that exists, the borders were shut down with exceptions, and this was renewed again. And so I wanted to give some information about what these bans, what these travel bans are from Mexico and Canada. Now, first and foremost, you have to understand that it's only for people coming to the U.S. by car or by ferry. It doesn't go to airports and stuff like that, so those travel bans don't exist. It's if you're coming at a land port of entry, driving in or trying to walk into the United States. And there are exceptions to this, so it's only essential travel that could come in. And what do they consider essential travel? It's people who are U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents returning to the United States, individuals coming for medical purposes, individuals traveling to attend educational institutions. So if you're an F1 student visa holder, for example, you have a student visa, you can come back in, it's considered an essential worker. They have a general category that says individuals traveling to work in the United States. And the examples they give are agricultural, farming kind of people. I would assume this includes TN NAFTA visas and people on H-1Bs, general work visas, because it says individuals traveling to work in the U.S., and those work visas would come under that. Also, individuals traveling for emergency response to public health, people in the military and their family members, individuals engaged in lawful cross-border trade like truckers, and diplomats and the like. So those are the people that are considered essential people that are coming to the United States, that are doing essential travel, that are exceptions to this travel ban from Canada and from Mexico of coming from a land port of entry. But those people not part of the exceptions, those people that cannot come in, include individuals traveling for tourism purposes, and the examples that they give are sightseeing, recreation, gambling, or attending cultural events. So this does not include people going by air, by freight, rail, or sea travel to the U.S. From Mexico or Canada. It does apply to passenger rail and passenger ferry, and pleasure boat travel. And is this going to be continued until June 2nd at least? They could make it longer. They could add a longer time to that. We'll have to see. They allow that amendment, but for now it's still June 22nd for this specific travel ban from Mexico and the U.S. If from a land border. So that's the first topic I want to talk about, was this travel ban from Canada and from Mexico.